Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Best budget phone $1,299. Amazing speed, but limited benefit. The Galaxy S10 5G is real, it's here, and if you're willing to part with $1,299, you can have blistering 5G speeds in the palm of your hand at this very moment. After years of wireless carriers telling us what 5G is and promising that the new 5G networks were just around the corner, it's hard to believe they're finally starting to deliver. The S10 5G will dazzle you with data speeds you could only dream of. But when you're not connected to 5G, which will be most of the time at this point, Samsung's first 5G handset is a Galaxy S10 Plus with a couple of extra perks. Even when you're on 4G, you'll appreciate the Galaxy S10 5G's massive 6.7-inch display, which dwarfs the 6.4-inch Galaxy S10 Plus. You also get a time of flight (TOF) sensor on the rear that enables more convincing portraits. Unfortunately, however, between the phone's high price and 5G clearly being a work in progress, now isn't quite the right time to buy the S10 5G. Galaxy S10 5G cheat sheet. The Galaxy S10 5G launched on Verizon's 5G network, which is currently available in 18 cities, with a target of hitting 0 cities by the end of the year. AT&T added the phone on in June, but only for corporate customers. Also in June, Sprint added the phone to its 5G network, and the S10 5G also works on T-Mobile's millimeter wave-based 5G network in 6 cities. The phone is not compatible with T-Mobile's newly launched nationwide 5G offering, though. On Verizon's 5G network in Chicago, the phone averaged just shy of 700 megabits per second and peaked at just under 1.1 gigabits per second in our testing this spring. The S10 5G has the same processor and 3 of the same cameras as the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but adds depth sensing, time-of-flight sensors on the front and back. The 6.7-inch OLED display is very immersive, but it makes for a large phone that's best for two-handed use. Galaxy S10 5G price and availability. The Galaxy S10 5G starts at $1,299 at Verizon. You can buy it today and use it on Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network. Right now, that network is live in parts of 18 cities, and you'll only really be able to get a 5G signal outdoors. Verizon will light up its 5G services in more than 30 other cities before the end of 2019. Design: the S10, but bigger. Spanning 6.7 inches diagonally, the Galaxy S10 5G makes nearly every other phone I've ever held in my hand feel small. That's a pretty impressive feat, what with sizes creeping up in recent years from all comers in the industry. Display: bold and bright. The S10 5G's dynamic AMOLED display dazzles with vivid colors and the kind of razor sharpness you'd expect from a $1,299 phone. This 6.7-inch panel packs a resolution just north of Quad HD, delivering one of the crispest viewing experiences you can enjoy today on a mobile device. Cameras: Samsung's best. You'll find a grand total of 4 cameras on the back of the S10 5G. 3 of them, the 12-megapixel primary shooter, 16MP wide-angle and 12MP telephoto, are carried over from the S10 Plus. However, the 5G version throws a 4th lens into the mix, a time-of-flight (TOF) depth sensor. Performance: same old Galaxy fast. Strangely, the S10 5G is actually a bit less powerful than the $1,599 Galaxy S10 Plus that features 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. That said, the S10 5G is no slouch. With Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 855 system on chip, international models get Exynos power and 8 GB of RAM. The S10 5G ranks among the fastest Android phones on the market today, even if it can't quite steal the top spot. Battery life: surprisingly normal. Samsung has fitted the Galaxy S10 5G with a monster of a battery. Not only does it pack 4,500 mAh of juice, but it also lets the handset charge back up more quickly than any other Samsung phone, thanks to the new included 25-watt adapter. Software and special features. Like the rest of the Galaxy S10 family, the S10 5G runs Android Pie with Samsung's new OneUI interface layered on top. OneUI is quite a comprehensive redesign of Android, and even represents a significant departure from the old Samsung experience front end that the Galaxy S9 launched with. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G specs. Price $1,299, $1,399. OS Android 9 Pie with OneUI. Screen size, resolution, 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED, 3040 by 1440. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 US/Samsung Exynos 9820 WW. RAM 8GB. Storage 256GB, 512GB. Expandable Storage No. Rear camera 4, 12MP wide angle, f/1.5-2.4, 16MP ultra wide angle, f/2.2, 12MP telephoto, f/2.4, time of flight depth sensor. Front camera dual, 10MP, f/1.9, time of flight depth sensor. Battery size 4500 mAh. Battery life, HRS, mins, 1056. Water resistance yes, IP68. Size 6.40 by 3.04 by 0.31 inches. Weight 6.98 ounces.